Okay, let's put the camera right here. So yeah. Let's see. 1 second. You need to be really careful to make sure you don't break the tank lid. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's flush this toilet. Here we go. This toilet uses 1.6, 1.28 gallons per flush. 1.6, 1.28 gallons per flush. Yep. Has a fill valve right there. My voice hasn't changed yet, but it might change in August. August something. I don't know when they come back from summer. It says 1.6 gallons right there and 1.2 right there. Okay, let's see it. Well, 1.6, 1.2 gallons. Alright. Alright. It says 1.6 right there, but let's put the tank lid back on. Alright. Right. That's it. Right there. It's better. Now I can put the tank lid back on. That's better. Careful, careful, careful. There, it's fine. Alright, let's pause the video camera. Alright, let's do this.